Ford once built an SUV so massive, it literally crushed smaller cars in crash tests. Not metaphorically, literally, a Ford Taurus. The tire rode up to the windshield. Driver survival, near zero. And Ford's solution? They didn't make it smaller. They bolted a steel blocker beam underneath it and kept building. This is the Ford Excursion, the biggest SUV ever mass-produced. And the story of why Ford killed it. Way more interesting than you think. Let's talk numbers, because the numbers are insane. The Excursion ran from 2000 to 2005, built on the same chassis as the F-50 Super Duty, over 7 inches longer than a Chevy Suburban, 6 inches taller, nearly a full ton heavier. It seated 9 people. Third row legroom, 39 inches. That's more than the backseat of a 2020 Ford Toyota Camry. In the third row, Sierra Club nicknamed it the Ford Valdez, after the Exxon Valdez oil tanker. Yeah, that kind of big dot, but here's where it gets interesting for you guys. The Excursion was one of the only full-size SUVs you could get with a diesel engine. GM, Suburban, gas only. Ford offered the legendary 7.3L power-stroke diesel, 525 pounds-ft of torque, rock-solid reliability, known to hit 500,000 miles. Today, that engine alone makes a used Excursion worth serious money. Then, in 2003, Ford swapped it for the 6.0 liters power stroke, and that was a mistake. Head studs pulling out, e.g. our coolers clogging, oil coolers failing, a nightmare engine in a dream truck. The 7.3, cult classic. The 6.0, expensive lesson. Know which one you're buying. So why did Ford kill the biggest, baddest SUV they ever built? The official story? Fuel prices went up, sales dropped. Ford needed 40,000 units a year to break even. They were selling 25,000. But here's the part they don't tell you. Ford's Kentucky truck plant built the Excursion on the same line as the F-50 Super Duty. And at that time, Ford couldn't build enough Super Duties to meet demand. Every Excursion they built meant one fewer Super Duty sold. The Super Duty was printing money. The Excursion wasn't. So Ford didn't kill the Excursion because it failed. They killed it because something else succeeded harder. And in 2007, they quietly replaced it with the Expedition L, smaller, lighter, more profitable. America barely noticed. Today, the Ford Excursion is a collector's item. A clean diesel 7.3 example can fetch $20,000 to $30,000 used and climbing. It was hated by environmentalists, mocked by the media, ignored by the mainstream. But for those who needed to haul 9 people and 10,000 pounds of trailer, nothing on the market touched it. Ford built the biggest SUV ever made, then killed it not because it was bad, but because the money was somewhere else. That's the Excursion, a beast that the market didn't deserve. If you want more deep dives on forgotten legends like this, subscribe. We go where the real car stories are. The real car stories are.